friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a snack using potatoes in just 2 minutes. This is a very crispy, tasty snack that your kids will love for sure. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. I have boiled 4 medium-sized potatoes. Pressure cook for 4 whistles and your boiled potatoes will be ready. This is super soft. Blend this to a very fine paste. Don't add any water. Now our potato paste is ready. To this add 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 cup of grated carrot, few chopped curry leaves, few chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and half teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Now all the ingredients are well combined, so let's move on to frying them. Today I have taken a piping bag. If you don't have one, you can go with any cover, even a milk packet will do. Fill the piping bag with a potato mixture. Heat sufficient oil in an iron pot. Keep the flame on high throughout the frying process. Start piping the potato mixture into the oil. Cut the potato mixture with a scissors or knife when you get a desired length. Fry for just a minute and your delicious potato fingers are now ready. So remove from oil and serve it right away. Enjoy it with a hot cup of tea. Very easy recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your comments. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.